Today we're going to make delicious Japanese curry in the Instant Pot. The ingredients we're going to need are some chicken breasts, cubed, 1/8 of a stick of butter, half of an onion chopped up, a little bit of some ground ginger, 2 cups or 450 milliliters of chicken broth, some soy sauce or shoyu, curry powder, and lastly 5 chopped carrots or however many you like. Set your Instant Pot to saute mode and dump in your butter. You're going to let that heat up while you go and cut your chicken. So while that's getting nice and hot, we're going to go and season our chicken breast with some salt and pepper. After that's done, check your butter to see it's all nice and melted. You'll see a nice shimmer, and then you can start putting in your chicken. Once you're done with that, you're going to transfer your chicken to a bowl so that you can saute the rest of your vegetables. Dump in the onions, your ground ginger, your chicken broth, your shoyu, and your curry powder. Stir all those together until boiling. You'll see a nice aroma starting to emerge. That's when you're ready. Dump in your chicken back into your pot, and then finally add the carrots. After you dump in your carrots, seal your Instant Pot and put it to high pressure for 10 minutes. And then do a quick release when your timer is ready. And you'll have delicious, soft, tender Japanese chicken curry ready to go for dinner. Enjoy and let me know how it turns out for you guys.